Russians began a new attack on a Kharkiv front in the direction of Zaporizhzhia, west from Vovchansk. According to reports, the attack involved mainly infantry and old tanks like T-62S 42nd Brigade of Ukraine took part in the repelling of the attack. This morning, Russians launched a massive assault on our positions in the area of the village of Zaporizhzhia. Hundreds of tons of equipment and a large number of personnel were destroyed by the coordinated actions of all units of the 42nd Brigade. The battle is still ongoing. At the moment, we have confirmation. Infantry, 20 killed and 21 wounded. 3 destroyed T-62, 1 damaged T-62, 1 destroyed BMP-1 and 2 S-1 Gvozdika. 2 destroyed car transport. We continue our work. A rare video of Russians managing to escape from an attack by Ukrainian FPV drones. Video from enemy channel. The occupiers are also filming and commenting. Russia, soldier who lost both of his legs was sent back to the front line in Ukraine from a Moscow hospital. Olga Tsukhanova, head of the Council of Mothers and Wives of Russian Soldiers. She is shocked that all aspects of life are collapsing in Russia, and yet people cower in silence.
Это ненормально. Вот сегодня я с врачом разговаривала, и он говорит: вы знаете, а на СВО вот отправили мужчину с 2 ампутированными ногами. То есть обе ноги ампутированы. И его отправили дослуживать. Пироговки у нас там про комиссия была или что, не знаю, но сказала про Пироговку. Больница у нас есть такая. А как же список тогда? Я что-то не понимаю. Если до этого было, что без рук, без ног, без глаз не берут, то говорят, ну там же есть другая работа, но сидеть Писарчуком, какая работа, как вообще? Вы можете вообще в голове у вас уложиться, человека без ног забрали опять на СВО. Это нечто невероятное. Почему у нас народ молчит? Любую сферу образования возьми, невозможно просто. Питание, оно просто таких денег стоит, что есть просто не хватает на еду денег. Проезд на работу только ездить сколько нужно. Штрафы сплошные, одежда сколько у нас стоит, еда сколько стоит. Это невероятно, это просто уму непостижимо. И народ у нас еще как-то выкраивается, выкрючивается чего-то. И молчат. Вы посмотрите, люди уже не выдерживают, едут в Москву. Ходаки по разным темам уже подали заявление, потому что и Путин-то у нас. Посмотрите, кто это вообще. Все говорят только о двойниках. И иноагенты, кто у нас вообще там в депутатах сидит. И про Хаббат, про эту секту тоже было заявление. И по вымораживанию были заявления, и по затоплениям. Люди уже не могут, они едут туда, в Москву. А там, знаете что, там просто сидят клерки, которые получают эти бумажки и потом через 30 дней отписывают. То у нас, в нашей родной стране, где у нас эти потомки воинов-победителей? Почему все сидят, засунув языки в одно место?
The occupiers' plans for Odessa must be fading. A Russian serviceman from the Zaporizhzhia region writes in a Russian telegram on the activity of Ukrainian drones, making the life of the occupiers extremely unbearable. If there is any movement, you can be spotted and fired at using artillery. The Zaporizhzhia region is of course large, so it is impossible to say exactly which area this character describes, but the story is rather revealing. I wish you good health. I would like to report on the situation and write recommendations in the Zaporizhzhia direction. Ukrainian reconnaissance actively uses drones of various types. Reconnaissance, strike, kamikaze, and even those redirecting signals from our headsets. In addition, their artillery calibrates their fire using drones, making their attacks more accurate. Electronic warfare is blocking our communications and navigation. Therefore, camouflage and cover become vital. The ban on movement during the day was introduced for a reason. Unfortunately, we have lost many people precisely because of non-compliance with these rules. They detect any movement and open fire. There were cases when guys a few hundred meters from the positions went out to eat or just breathe out and received shrapnel wounds. Safety rules are now very strict, and breaking them means being irresponsible with your life. Disguising equipment and shelter is also the #1 security issue. Kokol Ukrainians directs the artillery and records the coordinates of each flash. Therefore, even a slight movement of vehicles can cause an artillery strike. We constantly update camouflage nets, collect fresh vegetation, and so on, so as not to give away positions. Near the front line, the situation is even worse. There, evacuation is a real roulette. In a matter of minutes, you can lose a lot of blood, and the ambulance transport will not have time to arrive. There is not always enough of it. This leads to severe, irreversible consequences. Therefore, over there, we try to stay as collected as possible and not take risks unless absolutely necessary. In general, the situation is very tense, but we hold on. We must strictly follow the rules. This will help us survive. If someone forgets about safety even for a minute, there can be extremely negative consequences both for himself and for the entire group. I hope this information will help you gain a better understanding of the realities on the front lines and help you prepare appropriately. Be careful and vigilant.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.